everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys pink glittery eye makeup look, because I posted one reel video on Instagram in which I did blue glitter eye makeup. So today I decided to do a pink glitter eye makeup and show you guys how I got that look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing I'm going to use is sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important if you are going for a day makeup. So yeah, I'm going to use sunscreen. This is from Laneige. I just apply it all over my face. Now I'm going to apply this Smashbox primer. This is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. If you have oily skin, then definitely go for gel based primers, and if you have normal to dry skin or combination skin, then you can use any primer. So I'm going to take it here. Now I'll just apply it. Same, just don't rub it very harshly and apply it gently. First I'll be doing my base and then I'll move to my eye makeup. You can do eye makeup first and then move to your base, but today I'm just gonna do base first and then I'll go to eye makeup. Yeah, so I'm done with applying the primer. Now today I'm going to use this L'Oreal foundation. The shade is 1 Ivory. This is L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. I'll just shake it well before using. I just took 3 pumps on the back of my hand. I'm going to apply it like this. Don't forget your neck. And if you have any plans to tie your hair, then definitely apply it on your ears as well. So first I'm going to use this PAC foundation brush and I'll just apply it in downward direction. Always keep in mind, if you're using a brush to apply your foundation, then do not do this dab. Don't dab, because it will enlarge your pores. So it's better to just blend it in downward direction. This is not that heavy coverage foundation, because of which I have applied a very thick layer. But if you want a medium coverage or light coverage, you can definitely apply with less quantity of the foundation. Now once I applied the foundation all over my face, I'm going to blend it using this Puna & Store brush, again in downward direction. And in last I'll use the blender, because it is very important to blend the foundation nicely. Now that I have blended my foundation with a brush, now I'm going to use this beauty blender from Color Bar. This is a very good beauty blender. And this is a damp sponge. This is a damp beauty blender. So yes. So yeah. With very light hair, now you can see a little glow here, right? So whenever you start seeing a glow, it means your foundation is blending really well. Now here I just want to tell you one thing. If you have fine line problems, like laugh line problems, after some time you will see your foundation stuck in these lines. So what you need to do is, before applying foundation, just apply a little bit of primer and then fill it with a loose powder and then apply a primer all over your face and then apply the foundation. So basically we just need to fill those lines. If you have the lines here, if you have the lines here, you just need to fill those lines and then apply the foundation. Especially if you're going for summer makeup, then you should definitely do that. Okay, so now I am done with blending my foundation. Now I'm gonna do some contouring. So here I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, Rose in the Air, and I'm gonna use this shade to contour my nose. So I'll just draw a line, straight line like this. Same here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw one line here as well. That's it. Now I'll just blend. So you can blend it with the brushes, but today I'm going to use this Faces Canada Beauty Blender. This is also a damp sponge, damp beauty blender. So I'm just going to dab, dab, dab and blend very, very patiently. Don't rub this because you'll remove your foundation and primer layer by doing that. So just dab. With a very, very light hand, okay? So I have blended my nose contour and now I'm gonna blend rest of the contour. It's done. Now I'm gonna start applying blush. So today I'm gonna use this Manish Malhotra My Glam blush. So this is a pink blusher with highlighter. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit here like this. Okay. Done. Now I'm gonna blend it using the same beauty blender from Faces Canada, but I'm gonna use a different side. Just dab, dab and dab. See, it has given me the shine and the blush both together. I forgot to blend this contour part, my cupid bow. So yeah. Now I am almost done with my base. I'm not going to do so much of layering on my face, so I'll just now apply some concealer here and then I'll just apply some loose powder and then we'll start with the eye makeup. So I'm gonna apply my favorite MAC concealer in shade NC20. I'm applying it on my eyelids and under my eyes as well. Just a little bit. And a little bit here. Now I'm gonna blend it. Done. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is shade 13. This is a little lighter shade for me. I just took it using this brush from Pune store and I'm gonna apply it here. Some more. Why am I applying it in excess? Because I'm going to use glitter, right? So if any of the glitter particles will fall off, which will definitely happen, so I'll just simply dust off those glitter particles using the same brush. So first today I'm going to use this Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette, and I think the shade name is New Trails 2. So first I'm going to use this transition shade, this one, with a very light hand. Just apply and blend. Sometimes you want a very defined eyeshadow, so in that case you probably use eye tapes, right? So if you are using any eye tape, then what I would suggest you is just complete your eye makeup first and then move to your face, because if you'll apply your eye tape after applying your foundation and then when you'll remove the tape, it'll remove the foundation and all your base makeup from this part. So if you are using eye tapes, then definitely always keep in mind that you have to complete your eye makeup first and then you can move towards your base. So first I'm gonna use this shade as a base. With the same brush. Just in the outer corners. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this palette again and I'm gonna use this shade. This is a pink kind of shade. So I'm gonna use this here. If you want to use soft pink, then you can definitely use soft pink instead of using this shade from this palette. But I just wanted it a little darker in the outer corners. You see the little pink glow coming out of the transition shade. I'm using this pressed glitter from Glittery World. And this is how it looks. Very pretty glitter. So just taking it, I just took it and I'm gonna apply it like this, using my fingertips. It is that easy, very easy. Okay, now I'll just simply dust off this excess glitter using this brush again from Pune store. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, then we'll do lower lash line. So I'm gonna use this shade from this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. I'm gonna use this tiny brush from Pune store. Just take it and fill. Now just to make it more defined, what I'll do is I'll just take this concealer brush and I'll just do this. And I'll blend it using my fingers. Now moving towards the lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to apply it here. And I'm going to apply this shade here. Okay. Now it's time to apply some highlighter. So to apply the highlighter, I'm going to use this brush from Pune store. I'm going to use this highlighter and I'm going to apply it here. Just use this shade from this palette. Okay, now a little bit here. Last, I'm going to use I Love Revolution Lightning Highlighter, Triple Baked Highlighter. So again, I'm going to use this same brush and just put it a little more here and here. Now it's time to apply the lashes. So I'm going to use these Blink lashes from Hot Lash. I'm going to apply my lash glue. I'm going to use this Pack Lash Fixer. This is amazing product. Once these are fixed, I'm going to apply a mascara to mix my false lashes with the original ones. Meanwhile, the lashes are fixing. I'm going to apply this Maybelline lip crayon. This is shade number Pink 1. So I'm going to apply it. This shade is more similar to Candy Yum Yum from MAC. So if you have MAC Candy Yum Yum, you can apply that as well. Now my lashes are fixed, so I'm gonna use this L'Oreal mascara. Just apply it very gently, very nicely. I'll mix my original lashes and my fake lashes. See. I'm gonna apply it here as well. So yeah, that's my final look. I have changed my outfit and this pink glitter is matching with my outfit. If you guys can see, there's so much of glitter in my outfit too. So yeah, I hope you guys liked my video. I hope you guys liked this look. If you guys did, then please smash the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please let me know in the comment section down below what next you guys want to see on my channel. So that's all. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.